In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice from Airbnb, whether you're managing travel expenses for business purposes or simply need a record for your personal finances. Grabbing an invoice from Airbnb is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Airbnb website. It's www.airbnb.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you have your credentials saved, this step is even quicker, as you can use the autofill function most browsers offer. After logging in, you'll be directed back to the home page. Now hover your cursor over your profile picture or initials at the top right of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the Profile option. This will lead you to your personal Airbnb profile page, where you can see your account details and various settings. Next, navigate to the Trips section. You can find this by either scrolling down slightly or looking for the tab labeled Trips within your profile section. This area shows all your previous and upcoming travel itineraries categorized so you can easily find past bookings. Locate the specific trip for which you need an invoice. If you've taken several trips with Airbnb, they will be listed here chronologically. Click on the trip to bring up the details. Now you should see a View Itinerary button or link. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a detailed view of your trip itinerary, highlighting all the important aspects such as the dates, location, and host information. On this page, you'll find the option to get the invoice. Typically, there will be a section labeled Payment Details, or something similar. Here, you'll see the breakdown of costs, including service fees and taxes applicable to your reservation. Finally, look for the Download PDF or Print Receipt button. Clicking on Download PDF will automatically download the invoice as a PDF file to your device, which you can easily open, review, and save for your records. Alternatively, selecting Print Receipt is ideal if you prefer a hard copy or need to print it out at work or home. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully obtained an invoice for your Airbnb trip, which you can now keep for your records. It's always helpful to have these documents on hand, especially if you need them for accounting or reimbursement purposes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made it easier for you to manage your travel receipts with Airbnb. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful travel tips.